Hey, what's up, YouTube? Okay, so today's video is going to be just a little bit different. So I had two customers walk in, which they're not here now. I got both of their phones. They actually came in back to back. So one of them took off to In-N-Out Burger down the street, and they're going to come back. And that guy has the iPhone X, and this phone really takes like 10-15 minutes to fix. And then I have another person that came in that has an iPhone 8 Plus. So I'm gonna record how long this actually takes me to fix, and I'm gonna break down how much the parts cost to fix these. And so yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so today is Friday, April the 26th at 2:33 p.m. So we are gonna focus on this one since I'm gonna do this one first. So this one's an iPhone X, but as you see, this one, the display is damaged. So this screen I cannot resell, it's too damaged. So I'm gonna make one profit off this phone. Now the parts for this phone have gone down. So, but since I've had a bunch of supply, I'm gonna show you guys how much it costs to buy the screen from when I bought it, before. But whenever I buy new parts, it's gonna cost a lot. It's gonna cost less. So in my shop, I'm charging $225 to fix this. The actual part for an iPhone X screen, this one that I bought, was $130. So I'm gonna make $95 in profit on this phone. And then over here with this iPhone 8 Plus, I charge $100 to fix this one, and they're gonna get a refurbished screen on their phone, and that screen, it's cost 26 bucks. So I'm gonna make a $74 profit. So with these two cell phones, in total, after deducting the cost of parts, I will make, let's see, their phone's going off. Okay, $169 in profit. Okay, so let's get this started. So let's say $234. So once I'm finished fixing this phone, we'll come back to here. Okay, so I just finished. So you guys remember, you guys saw that screen right here. It's out of the phone, and I got a new screen on here already. So let's see the time. I started at 2:35. It is now 2:46. So it literally took me 11 minutes to fix this phone. So in 11 minutes, I'm gonna make $95 in profit. So let's switch it over. Okay, so I remember with these, this is actually a soft OLED. On the iPhone X, I use soft OLED screens. There's an OLED screen and there's a soft OLED. The soft OLED screens actually cost a little bit more. But just like how I was saying, these screens I still have from an older batch. So I'm still using up these screens before I buy a new inventory with this, and then I'll get them at a lower price. But okay, so let's switch this over to the iPhone 8 Plus. Here's the iPhone 8 Plus, and we're gonna start this right now. Before I begin on this phone, I'm gonna put this screen on her phone. This is a refurbished screen. You know how in some of my videos I tell you guys to save screens? You could either save them to sell them off or refurbish some of them. With the iPhone 10 and newer, I still sell them off. Anything iPhone 8 Plus or 8 or older, I choose to have them refurbished. So this is what a refurbished screen looks like. This is basically, that off my hand. This is an original Apple part. It's just refurbished. But as you can see, it looks brand new. See, that's the inside how it looks like. But this is an actual original Apple part with Apple logos on the wires. And to get this thing refurbished, for me, since I outsource my refurbishing on iPhones, I do Samsung refurbishing myself. I do all but that iPhone stuff, I outsource it. Just saves me time. But yeah, 26 bucks. So I got a free screen from a previous customer that, you know, they come in and they don't want their old parts. I kept their screen and I paid to have it refurbished. So now I have a new screen, and then the cost to have it refurbished is 26 bucks. So this screen actually cost me 26 bucks, if that now making sense. But let me answer this call real quick. All right, so let's get this started. Let's see what time it is right now. So I'm gonna start this iPhone 8 Plus. So it is 2:49, and let's get this started. Okay, so we're back, and I just finished that phone, and let's see what time it is. It is 3:06. So this one, I spent a little bit longer because it does take longer to fix an iPhone 8 Plus than it does to fix the iPhone X. So what does that give me? I started at what? 2:49, so that is what? 10, 16, 17 minutes from start to scratch to the phone turned on. 17 minutes. But yeah, as we see, look at this screen. Nice, beautiful, colorful, perfectly working screen. Look at that. So they both still haven't came back yet. But yeah, that's part of my Friday, which yeah, there we go. Friday, April 26, 3:07 in real time. Okay, so I just did the math in time. So I started the iPhone X at 2:35 p.m. and then I finished the iPhone 8 Plus at 3:06. So what does that give me? That gives me 31 minutes to make $169. So drop a like or a comment if you would like to make $169 in profit in 31 minutes. I used to make, a lot of you guys have seen my whole story. I used to make $10.50 an hour. That was my last job working in a guitar shop, $10.50 an hour. $169 was probably almost 3 days of pay, almost, a little bit less, but almost 3 days of pay after taxes to make that amount. That $10.50 an hour is just, can't live with that. But anyways, yeah. So how much does it cost to get these phones fixed at the Apple Store if you did not purchase Apple Care? Because Apple Care is expensive too. You're prepaying to break your phone. That's pretty much what it is. You're already prepaying it. So the iPhone X, I'm gonna put this up on the screen right now. The iPhone X and the iPhone 8 Plus, how much do these phones cost if you were to walk into an Apple store and have them fixed without purchasing Apple Care? Okay, so the guy came back and he paid for his iPhone X and paid in cash. So he gave me 250 bucks. So his change was $25. He paid in cash. I gave him cash back. So yeah, so the story with his phone is he broke his iPhone X in the nightclub, and he's actually here on vacation. And he said he's from Mexico City. So for me, and I explained this in my in a video in my cell phone repair course. It's not a coincidence why a lot of people come here to this shop that are tourists. It's because I'm easy to find on the internet. But I explain a lot more on that topic or in that video in the course. With the other girl's phone, the iPhone 8 Plus, here's her screen. So guess what? This is what I teach too. This is a good working iPhone 8 Plus cracked screen. The display is perfectly fine, it's just cracked glass, but guess what? I now have another free screen. Yeah, I got another free Apple part that's gonna get refurbished and it's gonna get reused. They work perfectly fine. So, but yeah, that's gonna wrap up today's video. And This is something that I would have never had if I would have never have gone into business for myself. It's the same thing that a lot of you guys need to do. You guys got to do your own thing so you guys can make your own money and make a lot more money than what you're used to making. So if this video helps you guys out in any way, drop a like or comment. I answer pretty much everybody. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.